You can sign documents on the go using Markup on your iPhone. Here's how. Your signature can be added to documents and photos in many apps. We're going to use a PDF in Mail. In an email, tap an attachment to open it. At the bottom right of your screen, tap the Markup button, which looks like a marker. And then tap the Add button in the bottom right. It looks like a plus sign. Next, tap Signature and use your finger to sign your name on the line. This signature will be automatically saved for future use and can be selected the next time you need it. When you're finished, tap Done. You can drag your signature to move it, and you can resize it by touching and holding a corner, then dragging until it's the size you need. When your signature is in place, tap Done. A menu will appear so you can choose how you want to send or save your document. We're going to Reply All. And that's how you can easily sign documents on your iPhone with Markup. For more helpful tips like this, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel.